Hello, this is Brian from Identify Direct, and I'm going to show you a system which we're just about to install next week.
Hi Brian, so what was the problem that you're trying to solve?
Well, the problem was for our customer, they make vinyl floor covering, and it's a laminate made up of, let's say, 7 different layers, and often one of the in-between layers, which can't necessarily be seen in production, has a defect. The defect means it's a little bit thicker in that area. So when it's laid on the floor, you can see the unevenness, and that's a defect. And also, in production, this same defect can cause horrendous problems further down the production line, upsetting machinery. So the defect has to be found and removed. Traditionally, they used to do it just with human inspectors, but humans get tired and miss these defects.
Okay, so what's the solution that you've come up with?
So the solution, because the vinyl floor covering has just been made, it's been compressed under temperature, it's warm, let's say about 40 degrees. And because the defect is slightly thicker, it means the defect is slightly warmer, only maybe 0.1 of a degree above the ambient. But a thermal imaging camera can see this defect. So I'll simulate it now. I just put my hand. So what we see on the screen, first of all, is it shows there's no visible defects and there's no bad output set. So I'll simulate a defect coming down with my hand. So now you can see the defect, which hasn't crossed this finishing line yet, so it hasn't set the bad output. As the defect travels down the screen, hits the finishing line, we're setting the bad output now to the line PLC. Once it crosses the finishing line, the output goes good, and then when it comes off the screen completely, you can't see it anymore, so it says it's good. We've now set the output to the line PLC, which then tracks it to where the guillotine is, and then chops just before and just after the defect, chops the defect out, which then gets shuttled to one side, and the good product goes the other way. This is a complete no-brainer to our customer. It pays for itself in something like 4 months worth of production, saving of material, saving of human inspectors. And then human inspector can do a more worthwhile job now.
Great, all right, thank you.